Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and keep watching. First I started by using Total Moisture Facial Cream by Benefit Cosmetics. And now I'm just taking a little bit of that moisturizer and I'm applying it all over my face, making sure to pay extra attention to around my nose because that is where I personally dry out the most. Also guys, don't forget to apply moisturizer to your neck. That's very important, especially if you're going to be applying foundation there. Okay, so next I'm going to be applying my foundation. I use Urban Decay All Nighter and I use that in the shade 2.0. So normally I use a brush or a beauty blender to apply my foundation, but unfortunately my brush was dirty this time around and needs to be cleaned. So I went ahead and used my hands to apply my foundation. Okay, so now that we're done applying our foundation, I'm gonna go in and use the Morphe Nature Glow Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. I'm taking this lighter shade and I'm gonna go over the base of each of my eyelids with it. So now I'm taking this lighter pink tint and putting it in the inner corners of my eyelids. I'm taking a dark brown and I'm going to go in the outer parts of my eyelid with it. I'm going in the crease and I'm also going to go pretty thick here. That way when I go back in with the orange and go underneath, it's going to all blend together. Now I'm going to take this lighter kind of peachy shade and go back over in that inner crease where I put that white. I feel like this gives it kind of a finishing touch. Now I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm going to go in the very outer corners of my eyelids where I put that brown, and I'm going to kind of bring it out a bit, a little bit out past my eyelid. Now I'm taking that same orange and I'm going all over underneath my lower lashes with it, and I'm making it merge together with the other orange. Now for the highlighter, I'm using Jeffree Star Skin Frost in Ice Cold. I like to add highlighter in so many places, including the arch of my eyebrow. I feel like it gives it a nice glow. I added a little bit of highlighter underneath my eye and the inner corners as well. I'm going in with a different highlighter on my cheeks. I'm going in with the Jeffree and Manny collab. It's called Eclipse. I don't believe you can buy this anymore, but it's very beautiful. I'm also adding highlighter to my forehead and my nose, and just wherever the light hits, I like to really glow. Mascara time. I'm using the sample version of Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash. For my lips, I'm using Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Exposed. Alright guys, so I'm all done with my makeup, and now I'm taking the top part of my hair down and making it look like a natural beach vibey sort of look. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.